Yo, I just made an invention of the Bull's Burger.
Yeah, the Bull Burger?
Bull Burger. I gotta get it, man. Bull out here grilling on that thing, man.
You know?
I'm about to try out a Bull Burger, bro.
There you go, there you see it. You know what I mean? Cheese hanging off.
Is that provolone?
Provolone.
Did you create this recipe? Like,
nah, it's just seasonings and everything. You know what I mean?
I saw you sprinkling some things over there.
I flipped it. You can see that though. Don't worry about it. Nothing happened. Put it into the bag. Alright, yeah.
So you give people the opportunity to choose if they want cheese or not.
If you want it, you can get it.
If you don't want it,
you don't have to have it. It might have a little cheese from a different burger.
Okay.
But it'll just be a little crispy end or something.
How long have you been doing Bull's Burgers?
I ain't gonna lie, I just started about a month ago, honestly. About a month and a half ago. And got one more.
Can you flip it to make sure it's on both sides evenly?
It's good, no, it's good. You know, I want to overdo it.
Yeah.
It's got the crispy pieces on both sides. Either way you eat it, it's gonna be good.
Is there mayonnaise on it?
On the buns, you put the mayo on the buns.
That's the Bull's Burger like recipe, right?
There you go, put in a light. And peep that drink. You see how we work?
Why is it like a cookie?
Bull burgers, bro. There you go. Slow-mo. There you go, that's it. I learned, so you gotta do, you put the mayo, a light amount of mayo on the buns, throw it on the grill, take them off. That's how you get it like that.
Instead of butter, you do mayo?
I did mayo. I looked it up, bro.
What does mayo do compared to the butter?
It's the same. You can use either. It'll be the same thing. That's Bull's Burgers, though. Right
I have
there.
to see you eat it one though.
Oh yeah.
Vice versa. So.
Hold on, I'll grab one. Here you go. Here you go. It's hot. I got it.
So how you do
I
it?
use one of these.
Okay. So I don't have to put mayo on it now again because
You don't have to.
Because it's already there though.
Yeah, you don't technically have to. Boom.
Okay.
Now you can put more stuff on here, but I'm gonna just eat it because.
You're just gonna show how.
Yeah, right here. Got the crisp on it still.
Nice.
You know what I mean?
Not too well done.
Just a little pink.
You're like medium. You're like not even medium. You're like before though. It's not like it's wet.
Now, of course, I usually like to eat my stuff medium.
Okay.
But you never know what everyone else wants to eat.
So you just go.
So I'd rather be a little pink.
Yeah.
And there we go. You're good to go.
Okay. I'm gonna try one of those.
How about it? You ready? Bro, been taking one bite for like a minute, bro.
These are crisp with juice
I need
inside.
help. I understand you're recording, but I need help. The pizza's like falling through the fucking middle.
Oh lord. Okay. I got you, baby.
Why is it doing this?
No, we're just trying it. I want the crisp, wet nut inside, and yeah,
Thank you.
good burger. Bull
Yeah, I
burger.
don't want to pull it like that. Like,
Hey guys, I'm at a beach right now. I'm at Virginia Beach. I didn't record nothing, but we made it to the beach. Hey, I'm drinking Trulies. Bull got Cairo over there, and we're about to go get to this seafood buffet and turn up. But I made it. I'm at the Virginia Beach, and I just want you guys to know that I made it to Virginia Beach at the beach. Beach right here. Hey.
this is my first time shooting this. I've never shot this before. I just bought it.
All right. Legion, P320, Allison. I was aiming for the center mat. I did well. I was shooting with iron flash right on the target. That was good. Hold on, I'll come up a little closer. That was real. I'm impressed with myself.
Oh yeah, it was good.
Yeah, I didn't even adjust these or nothing. It was really just fresh. The Big Daddy's home. Finally getting to shoot the Savage again with the new chassis system, you know. Trying to see if I can get I don't know, 25 yards out. Chris is about to shoot it.
Yeah,
I'm
gonna try it. You wanna tape it in? Yeah, good. We hot. We live?
Yeah, we live, man. What you doing? Talk to me. What you got going on out here, man?
Just checking the temp, you know, with the infrared temperature gun.
Alright.
You can see.
Why you got one side or one knot? How you working it?
Listen, so I'm gonna cook on this side, and when I get done cooking, I'm gonna go over here and let the temp sit for a little bit, and then we're just gonna toss everything in here.
Alright. So you cooking the meat first?
No, rice first.
Okay, good job. I about to say, because that's how they usually do it. I thought you were about to cook the meat first.
Why you trying to test me, bro?
I'm just testing. I'm trying to see. You keep the hat to the front or the back? Yeah.
To the front right now.
Alright.
I'm not a little low on space. This is fine for right now because this is clean. So.
Alright. Is it gonna pop?
Nah, I'm just gonna toss it all in there at one time. Any hunger de hanashimasu?
That's like Russian.
Where did you get that from, Dragon Ball?
Nah, I took a year of Japanese in high school. Did it help me now? No. This shit gonna cook fast too.
Come on now, moving faster.
I know it.
Make the sound effect, make the sound effect.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, that, that's what we needed. Here you go.
Supposed to entertain the crowd, though.
Yeah,
my bad. I'm just trying to make sure I don't fuck it up, honestly. This shit is cooking quickly.
Slow it down. You got some of that soy in there? Uh-oh.
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce? You gotta say it like, you know, pretty fast. Soy sauce. Make it do that. Make it.
I'm gonna throw a little teriyaki on it too. I have to do that much.
I was in the way.
This over here.
What about the, go ahead. What about the vegetables?
They don't go. They don't go in there. Actually, I don't have them with me right now.
That's all I was
If you want them, you're gonna have to go grab them. Now I'm messing up.
All right, my bad.
Yeah.
Making them nervous. Making them nervous.
Yeah.
I'm making them nervous.
Dropping stuff, bro.
I just need to make you just need to click it one more time, and I can leave. You're feeling a little bit.
Pressure, yeah. See,
faster. You gotta move faster. There you go.
You like it like Cajun style.
yeah. This might have to come out.
How you feeling?
Feeling good. It's about to be done. Without you, be bad, dude.
Bouillana? Bouillana? Benihana's Bouillana?
Bullatuli or something? Ratatouille or shit?
There it is.
Rice, steak, chicken. Homemade hibachi, bro.
Bouillanas.
Bulbachi, bro. Come on now. There you go.